How astounding could it be on the off chance that you could get more fit quick with only one beverage? It very well may be troublesome to accept, yet this drink is exceptionally simple to make, and has been displayed to help in a short measure of time, on the off chance that you drink constantly. By drinking a solitary glass of this juice previously peruses, you will actually want to lessen your fat levels, particularly your stomach fat. On the off chance that you drink consistently. Also, subsequent to awakening, you do some cardio exercises for around 30 minutes, you will find that it gets better in a couple of days. It's normal for fat to shake while you're resting. Why? Since when you nod off, your body doesn't separate materials fast. The fixings in this drink will assist your body with separating materials quicker, so that it will keep on consuming fat while you rest. How can it be the case? Since the fixings in this drink are undeniably displayed to accelerate the digestion, so when you drink prior to hitting the sack, your body continues to break things quickly. Cucumbers are generally excellent for battling fat. They are a significant piece of any weight reduction plan. An entire cucumber has just 45 calories. What's more, they're loaded with fiber and water, two things that are significant for consuming fat. Furthermore, they're very cooling, and give this drink an incredible taste. Parsley and cilantro are extremely low in calories, and they're both brimming with cell reinforcements, as well as nutrients and minerals which are generally excellent for alleviating put-away water. In this way, they are really great for smoothing an exploded midsection. Ginger assists the body with separating materials quicker and stops blockage, two things that are exceptionally strong in battling off that gut fat you don't need. This fixing will assist with consuming fat while you rest. Lemon juice is great for flushing out poisons that are gathered in the body. At the point when you drink lemon juice, you will actually want to dispose of muscle versus fat. You will likewise feel improved, since the poisons that have aggregated in your framework will be scrubbed. Something else that is really great for weight reduction is aloe vera juice. It is loaded with cancer prevention agents. Also, assists block with liberating revolutionaries, which lead to expanding and bulging. This juice as well helps support how rapidly your body separates materials, which can assist with diminishing your body the mass record. Taste this solid beverage before bed and you'll have awaken feeling lighter and more vivacious. With these straightforward fixings you can get it at your supermarket. You can make this weight reduction drink right away. Fixings: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon aloe vera juice, a lot of cilantro or parsley, half glass of water. Arrangement: add the fixings, blend them. Furthermore, drink a glass of juice before sleep time. In the event that you like the video, offer it a go ahead. Also, share it with your companions. Follow the irregular fasting diet. Irregular fasting has become perhaps the quickest method for shedding pounds in a brief time frame. Great outcomes can be accomplished in no less than 24 weeks of beginning the eating routine. There are numerous ways of following the discontinuous fasting diet, most outstandingly the technique for irregular fasting like clockwork. In this framework, the discontinuous fasting diet is applied like clockwork, with eating ordinarily on the next days. Strategy 2-6. In this framework, 2 days of the week are abstained, eating a limit of 500 to 600 calories during these 2 days, and eating regularly for the leftover 5 days of the week. 4/8 strategy. In this technique, fasting is for 16 hours per day, eating ordinarily during a time of just 8 hours, and for a great many people, fasting begins at 12 early afternoon and finishes at 8 p.m. It is desirable to eat good food varieties on the days during which the eating regimen isn't followed, and to abstain from gorging. Methods for following the irregular fasting diet. Get familiar with discontinuous fasting here. 1. Lessening sugars. Sugars cause weight gain and raise glucose levels, which upsets the consuming system, so it is prescribed to keep away from sugars if you have any desire to rapidly get more fit. This applies to counterfeit sugars that are added to different food varieties and beverages, not the normal sugars in organic products, which can be eaten in sensible sums. 2. Increment your fiber consumption. Fiber helps increment the sensation of completion and satiety, and in this way is probably the quickest method for getting thinner since it decreases the craving to eat, on the grounds that it requires a long investment in the stomach to be processed. Fiber is tracked down in numerous vegetables and organic products, as well as entire grains, oats, nuts, seeds and vegetables. 3. Have protein for breakfast. It is important to remember protein for the eating routine followed to advance weight reduction, as it assists with managing hunger chemicals and increment the sensation of satiety. It is prescribed to have protein at breakfast to decrease the sensation of appetite over numerous hours of the day, like eggs, oats, pecans and chia seeds. 4. Hydrate. Frequently the sensation of craving increments, yet as a matter of fact it is a sensation of thirst, and in this manner the body should be provided with the water it necessitates to stay away from the tricky sensation of yearning. Drinking water likewise helps eliminate poisons from the body and increment the digestion expected to work on consuming. It is prescribed to hydrate over the course of the day, and some new citrus that contains practically no calories, like lemon and orange cuts, can be added to the water, to add an unmistakable flavor to the water and accomplish the best outcomes in detoxing. 5. Doing sports. As well as following a sound eating routine, practice is perhaps the quickest method for getting more fit decisively, as it builds the pace of fat consuming. It isn't expected to do arduous activity, yet a few simple games should be possible to invigorate the consume, like lively strolling. To begin strolling, following these steps is suggested. 6. Walk gradually 7 minutes. Walk gradually with quiet relaxing for 7 minutes. 7. Lively stroll for 7 minutes. On the off chance that you rehash these meals 3 times each day, you can wreck to 300 to 500 calories each day.